What's up, guys? So, how to get started when you don't have money or knowledge? It's one of my favorite questions that used to be many years ago when majority of my friends see my lifestyle and they was just like, hey, how we can make money or how we can learn about Amazon if there's not that many courses or something, like what the first steps to take to get this amazing journey. Okay guys, so we're gonna split this question on two parts, and what I can tell you about majority of my friends, they become Amazon sellers, become successful. Majority of them sold the companies, some of them become a service providers, but eventually people start to make money and realize this is not a so complicated thing that you think. Okay, or maybe you worry about like, hey, how it's gonna happen or how it's gonna end up for me. So today we're gonna solve two major questions. It's where we can take money to get started, how not to lose the bank, and how to improve your knowledge and understanding about Amazon and e-commerce in general to make sure the money that you invest in are really helping you to grow and make your lifestyle better. So thing number one, we're gonna split to the money part and to the knowledge part. So if you have a ton of money, you can skip to the knowledge part or just reach out to me and I will help you to spend this money together. Okay, so if I'm talking about when you don't have money, I'm not talking about absolute zero, you know, like if you have absolute zero, then my biggest suggestion would be for you guys, maybe just try to find a job, or one of the good advices would be maybe try to start a side hustle like a service providers for Amazon. You can go on places like Fiverr if you know something about e-commerce, maybe you know how to do Photoshop, maybe you're good at copywriting. You can even be a world-class copywriter, guys, if you can utilize this tool like a Jarvis.ai. This things helps you to write amazing copies for your Amazon listings. It's I think it's like a free there's a free version, so you can try it. You can place your offer on Fiverr.com and see how things goes, or if you can just place your offer on Upwork. This is the offer where people find virtual assistants for yourself. You don't need to move to the different city. You can just simply apply there and people will send you a request to complete some job tasks, and it can help you to start to make some money as well. But at the same time, guys, once you start to make money, you can always join someone else's team already, like successful Amazon business. Maybe you can become an assistant or something that doesn't require direct Amazon knowledge, and slightly you will start to learn about Amazon and e-commerce business in general. But if you already like have question, okay, like I have ability to get some money, or where else I can get enough money to get started. So there's plenty of ways, guys. For example, there's a credit cards that you can get with a zero APR. I don't suggest you to go directly and and take money only from credit card. Make sure maybe you have like additional couple $1,000s in your pocket. But if you don't, as I'm explaining to you with the Chase, it's a possible ability to get a credit card with a 15 or maybe 18 months 0% APR, which means for 15 or 18 months they're not gonna charge you a single dollar. So and usually these credit cards may go up to like $20,000-$25,000 in a credit limit, which is enough money to get started any business. Again, guys, this is not a financial advice, so you have to make sure how you have to understand all the financial risks and learn before you risking any money in any investments, like any other ideas and business opportunities. Another part, if let's say your vendor doesn't take credit cards directly to pay for the inventory, then you can use services like it's called Plastic. This service helps you to transfer money from credit card to any vendor. It's kind of a bridge, like a transfer point. They're gonna charge you around 2%. I'm not affiliated with any of these services. I just know what exactly I used to use many years ago when I was struggle with some cash flow issues. So this is something, guys, I'm talking only from my personal experience, and I'm saying this is to you. It's not a financial advice or direct advice to you. So make sure you understand your personal risks before starting any business. Then once you get started, guys, believe me, at the beginning you need money, but after your business start to grow, you will need to reinvest your profits, maybe partially your profits, but also in some seasonality products, you will need sometimes big chunk of money to support your stock levels and your cash flow levels. At this point, you can use different companies like Cabbage, Blue Vine. These companies loan you money, but percentages are high, so make sure you calculate your margins and your ROIs, return on investments. Also, there's a lot of brokers similar to Fundera or Lending Tree. These guys, they help you to apply applications every everywhere, and then I don't know how, but somehow they help you to be approved with a higher rate than you are, you know, like, I mean, not a rate like percentage rate, I'm just saying like there you will have way more chances and more successful opportunities to apply with them and get and be approved than if you're gonna go by yourself directly to these companies. But once you get started, guys, there's also companies that support specifically Amazon businesses. One of them is called Payability and another one called Seller Founding. This company has a different structures. I think they're not only supporting the Amazon business, they also works for e-commerce in general. But you can, guys, try to learn about these companies, go to their websites. As I also mentioned, I'm not affiliated with websites, I'm just speaking from my personal experience and what I used to use or what my partners using to grow their Amazon businesses and how to get this cash flow leverage for their business. So once you utilize these services, guys, things may go better. Make sure when you launching products, you analyzing all the fees that Amazon gonna charge you in terms of how much gonna cost you a marketing expense. But at the beginning, a lot of people, they usually don't understand how to calculate. Amazon has a free calculators in their system. We also developed some specific calculator that will also calculate not only fees that charge Amazon, but everything that will involve in the process of selling your products. You can go just sellerize.com profit calculator and you can type any product there and you can infuse some numbers and you will see, let's say you sell products for $20 and we're gonna calculate how much Amazon take you for the fulfillment fee, storage fee, referral fee, any type of fee that Amazon takes will be there. So you will see exactly how much you're getting. You can also apply how much your product gonna cost you, how much gonna cost you logistics from China, if you ship products by air or by ocean. This all things, guys, it's a calculations, and make sure it's not that complex, but it's actually simple to go and infuse your numbers when you have proper tools. So, and the second part, guys, that I'm also slightly going into, it's your knowledge, you know, if you don't have a knowledge. So when we're talking about knowledge, I usually try to say people don't overcomplicate things, because selling physical products, it's not such a complex idea. Building a brand is more complex and more structured way to build something valuable. But at the same time, guys, when you do this, make sure you learn before you get started. Or if you get started already, maybe you already have some product, you know, then try to search for different courses, podcasts, maybe webinars. You can also follow up me on the Facebook, because I do a lot of webinars and free live videos where you can, guys, join and learn a lot about Amazon and e-commerce in general. Also, one of the most popular platforms right now become Walmart and Shopify. Shopify was for a long time, but Shopify require way more skills to build your brand, in my personal opinion, while other marketplaces like Amazon and Walmart already have some traffic. So you only need to learn how to get this traffic directed to your specific listing. So with the knowledge, I remember I have one guy who was buying courses on a website, it's called Udemy. The average course there around $10. So the guy went to a multi-million-dollar seller, but at the same time he was very, very smart. So make sure when you buy something cheap, you understand, you learn only fundamentals, because, for example, how to source the product, how to choose the product. If you will struggle with the ability to choose specific course, you can always reach out to me. Like, maybe I know the most valuable courses that you guys can follow. Sometimes they're not cheap, but I can just direct you, and based on the budget, guys, you can definitely buy something for yourself. As I'm saying, I'm not affiliated with majority of these guys, because I only try to suggest people things that will work out for them. So also for the knowledge download app, it's called Meetup. So in these apps, I usually find local meetups. If you guys will ever visit Florida, we have a amazing meetup in South Florida. It's called Wizards of Amazon. It's hosted by Carlos Alvarez. I think it's one of the biggest meetup group in South Florida, and as he claiming, it's in the USA and basically worldwide. So it's an amazing meetup for people who wants to get started on Amazon. So you can always check out his meetups or his podcast. He has absolutely amazing, valuable content for the beginners and those who wants to start. And guys, don't forget, when you're just starting, you cannot learn everything for the future. No, market is always changing. So make sure you continuously improving your knowledge, and that will help you to succeed and become amazing and powerful seller on Amazon. That was everything, guys, I want to say to you today. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel, click the bell below, so this will help you to be notified. Please also leave your comment if you have some questions or if you don't understand something. And at the same time, guys, remember, for every knowledgeable seller, you need a set of tools that will help you to, it's like, you know, if you're a doctor, you need one set of tools. If you're a barber, you need another set of tools. If you're an Amazon seller, you need to have another set of tools that will help you to succeed on Amazon. And if you need some set of tools, because on every stage you will need a different type of analytics and processes, I can send you the list of these tools that I use personally myself, and also what I suggest for people who just getting started on Amazon. This will help you guys to at least use tools that will be allowed you to become successful and make your business bigger and stronger and win this against any competition on Amazon. Thank you guys for watching. Again, please subscribe, comment below. Any questions, I will be happy to answer. I monitor every comment, and I also will help you to understand Amazon business better. Thank you. Bye bye.